like a secret, like military base.
What do you got?
I got a garage door opener. This is what we got.
Oh, what's in there, dude?
Showing them my address, bro. This is sick. This is something that I've been wanting for this car. I'll give you hints for this car.
That's for the Supra.
This is for the Supra.
What?
I am so super pumped. I'm super pumped. Super pumped? Can't hurt this old girl. All right, no, seriously, you guys want to see what we got for the Supra? Maybe if I could get this foam out.
You know what we could use this as?
Look at that. Oh my God. Obviously you guys know what this is. This is a downpipe. But it's huge. All right guys, we're gonna come back to the, whoa, it's dark. We're gonna come back to the downpipe there. But how's everyone doing out there with the quarantine situation? How are you doing with the thing? But anyways, I hope everyone's like self-quarantining, like kind of taking this seriously. I know it's kind of like, I don't know what to think of it, but just, I don't know, play it safe. Anyways, we got some parts for Merle in. We have, we got to do some major garage renovations here. It's like, it's absolutely destroyed in here. But we have a valve-covered gasket. We have a new tail light because the valves on Merle are like, but yeah, we're kind of just, you know, we're staying low key. We're not really going out into public. We're just kind of, you know, doing our own thing in the garage and, you know, staying local. The other day we found this sick secret spot kind of like local to us here. So we're going to throw that in today's video. It was pretty sick and hopefully everything works out with that.
Whoa, dude, where are we at?
Dude, we're like a secret, like military base.
What the frick is that? Dude, this is crazy.
Cameras would get like zapped with the radio waves.
You know what? Do it for America. Look at it. Let's get out of here for the eye gets here.
Go, 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 go. Woo!
Stop, what's that mean?
What are you doing in there?
I was just thinking we should cut the springs on this one.
Cut the springs on Merle.
Yep.
Well, we got
Up or
some
down and then you can go camping in those wheel wells. Look at that.
Oh, there's room. And you know what I really want to do in this car? I really want to do a nitrous shot.
Oh yeah.
Like just rig it in, like right in front of the turbo. Just kind of put like a little dump valve in a, you know, off of a bottle or something, and then just, you know, send it. This is what we're doing. We're self-quarantining in the garage, just messing with stuff. All right, guys, driving that car is absolutely incredible. It's awesome. I don't know why anyone wouldn't like that thing. What are you doing over there? Hold on, you guys got to see this. Yeah, we're kind of losing it here. On quarantine, Kung Fu. But guys, real quick, I just noticed something that 86.8% of you are not subscribed to the channel. What the heck is up with that? Are you guys good? But guys, hit that subscribe button and join the fastest growing YouTube channel in the quarantine time frame. Is that a thing? We're making it a thing. Right here, facts. We just took this sick pic for the gram. He's flipping the road bike. But yeah, like this is what I mean. We got a lot of junk that we got to clean up out here. I'm backwards, man. What are you singing?
Backwards, man.
Yeah, we're definitely losing it. All right, that's it. We're out.